Hey guys, let's compare Huawei P Smart Plus and Honor Magic 2 3D. Let's start. Start with the screen. Huawei P Smart Plus has 6.2-inch Full HD Plus display, and the other side you will get a 6.3-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display. Now talk about front camera. Huawei P Smart Plus has 8 megapixel front facing camera, and other side Honor Magic 2 3D has triple front camera, 16 megapixel plus 2 megapixel plus 3D TO front camera. If I talk about the RAM and storage, here you will get a huge difference because Huawei P Smart Plus has 3GB RAM and 64GB storage, but other side you will get a 2 option in RAM, 6GB and 8GB, and 3 option in storage, 128, 256 and 512GB storage option. Let's talk about the rear camera. Huawei P Smart Plus has triple rear camera, 24 megapixel plus 2 megapixel plus 60 megapixel. Other side Honor Magic 2 3D has also triple rear camera, 60 megapixel plus 60 megapixel plus 24 megapixel. Let's see the difference processor and chipset. Huawei P Smart Plus has 2.2 GHz octa-core processor and KEYone 710 chipset. Other side Honor Magic 2 3D has 2.6 GHz octa-core processor and KEYone 980 chipset. Let's give a look on some other specification. If we talk about the operating system, both have Android 9.0 Pie and both have a dual 4G. Now talk about the GPU. Huawei P Smart Plus has Mali G51 MP4 GPU. Other side you will get Mali G76 MP10 GPU. And now talk about the fingerprint sensor. In Huawei P Smart Plus has fingerprint sensor on the back, and other side Honor Magic 2 3D has fingerprint sensor on display, and both have a dual SIM. Now talk about the battery. Huawei P Smart Plus has 3400 mAh normal battery, and other side you will get a 3500 mAh normal battery with fast battery charging. If we talk about the price, Huawei P Smart Plus expected price 22,000 in India rupees and 310 in US, and other side expected price 40,000 in India rupees and 560 in US dollar. Thanks guys for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for new video.